I'm Olivia. Welcome to Seemi, the smarter way to run your tutoring business. I know running lessons, chasing payments, and keeping everything organized can feel like a headache. That's why we built Seemi. It keeps all your scheduling, payments, reports, and integrations in one place so you can spend less time on admin and more time teaching. In this video, you'll get a full walkthrough of Seemi's features, how to use them step by step, so you can get the most out of your tutoring business platform. We'll cover scheduling, payments, invoices, integrations, packages, and more. Let's dive in. To get started, go to seemi.co and click Try It for free. Fill out your details: name, email, phone, password, business info, and verify CAPTCHA. Make sure all the details are correct, then click Sign Up. You'll immediately receive a verification email. Open your inbox, confirm your email address, and then log in with your new account. At login screen, enter your username and password provided at the time of sign up. When you log in for the very first time, Seemi will guide you through a quick company setup wizard. Here you'll enter your business name, upload a logo, select your time zone, currency, billing type, and add your address. Once that's complete, your profile is ready, and you can start exploring the dashboard. Once you've logged in for the first time, you'll see the company setup wizard. This is where you add your business information and set up some important preferences. Let's walk through it step by step. First, enter your business name and upload your business logo. This will appear on your invoices, reports, and communications with families. Next, select your time zone. Make sure this is correct, because all your schedules, classes, and reports will follow this time zone. Then, choose your currency. This is very important. All invoices and payments will be processed in this currency, so pick the one you normally use to charge your clients. Now, the most important step, billing type. Seemi provides 3 types of billing options to suit different tutoring styles. This decides how you'll charge your students and families. Calendar-based. Choose this if you charge by individual lessons or hourly. For example, every session booked in the calendar will automatically be included when you generate an invoice. Package-based. Choose this if you sell bundles, like 10 sessions up front. Payments are made before the sessions start, and students use the package until it runs out. Hybrid. Choose this if you want flexibility. You can charge for some lessons per calendar booking and others as prepaid packages. Think about how you normally bill your clients, then select the option that fits your business best. Go to Settings. Under Business Settings, locate the Tax section. To create a new tax rate, click on the Add Tax button. A pop-up window will appear. Now fill in the details. In the Tax Type field, enter the name of your tax. For example, sales tax or VAT. In tax percentage, type the rate you charge, such as 10 or 15%. Finally, in the description box, write a short note about this tax, like standard tax applied to all tutoring invoices. When you're done, click Save. Your new tax will appear in the tax list below. And that's it. You've successfully added a tax rate in Seemi. This helps keep your invoices accurate and compliant with your local tax requirements. From the left sidebar, click on Integrations. This page displays all available integrations such as payment gateways, meeting tools, and chatbots. Under the Payment Gateways section, you'll find options like PayPal and Stripe. Both allow you to securely process payments from students and families. When you click Stripe, Seemi will open a new tab and redirect you to the official Stripe OAuth screen. Here, you can either log in to your existing Stripe account or create a new one. Follow the Stripe Setup Wizard. Confirm your business details, connect your bank account, and grant permission for Seemi to access your Stripe account. Once completed, Stripe will automatically redirect you back to Seemi. You'll now see the Stripe integration marked as connected. That's it. Your Stripe account is now successfully connected. All payments from students or families will be processed securely through Stripe, making your billing process fully automated. After completing the company setup, let's go through the dashboard and navigation. The dashboard gives you a complete overview of your business. Key stats like students, revenue, and unpaid invoices, plus quick navigation to core modules like prospects, students, families, teams, calendar, resource hub, integration, reports, and security. Now we'll go through every menu in detail, one by one. Let's start with prospects. This is where you manage new leads who are interested in your tutoring services. We'll go through the prospects menu in detail, how to add leads, update them, and convert them into students or families. Prospects are where your student relationships begin. Inquiries, trial lessons, and follow-ups all start here. Use this module to track inquiries, follow-ups, trial lessons, and eventually convert them into students or families. To add a new lead, click Add Prospect. A form will open where you can enter their details. I recommend starting with the important required fields: first name, surname, email, mobile, other phone, status, priority, and source, which is where the prospect came from, like Facebook, your website, or referrals. There are also some optional fields such as country, time zone, and remarks, useful if you want to add extra context. Once you've filled in the details, press Save, and the prospect will be added to your list. This video uses sample data for demonstration purposes only. All names and details shown are fictional. To update a prospect's details, click on the prospect name and go to the Profile Information panel on the right. Click the Edit icon to make changes such as phone number, time zone, or priority. Save your changes to keep the profile up to date. To log an interaction or reminder, click on the Notes tab, then select Add Note. Enter the date, choose a disposition, and write your description. Once done, click Save. This helps your team track all activities with the prospect. To send an email, open the Emails tab and click Compose. Write your message and send it directly from Seemi. All emails will be recorded in the prospect's profile for easy reference. SMS and call features are coming soon. Once enabled, you'll be able to message and call your prospects directly from Seemi. And that's how you manage prospects in Seemi. Update their details, add notes, and send emails. Next, to register this prospect as a student, click on the Add as Student icon in the Actions column. You'll be asked whether the student belongs to an existing family or if you'd like to create a new family profile. Select Existing Family if the student should be linked to a family already in the system, or choose New Family to create a brand new family profile for them. For now, we select New Family. Fill in the family details, including the first name, last name, email, mobile number, and address. You can also enable SMS notifications if needed. Once complete, click Continue. The student is now successfully registered and linked to the new family profile in your system. And that's it. You've created a prospect, registered them as a student, and set up a new family profile, all in just a few steps. Once a student has been registered, you can view and manage their details from the student profile page. At the top, you'll see the student's name, email, and active status. The profile is divided into sections like student details, contact information, attendance, and more. In the student details section, you can update information such as the student's date of birth, gender, enrollment date, and school. Click the edit icon to make changes and save when done. On the right side, you'll find contact information. Here, you can update the student's phone number, enable or disable SMS, edit their address, and manage email reminders. The attendance panel gives you an overview of the student's attendance for the current month. Below, you can also add important notes about the student for internal tracking. Along the top navigation, you'll see additional tabs like Family Info, Tutors, Portal, Email, Attendance, and Packages. These help you manage every aspect of the student's academic journey within Seemi. In Seemi, the My Tutors tab allows you to manage which tutors are assigned to a student. Let's see how to assign a tutor. From the student's profile, go to the My Tutors tab. Here you'll see two sections, Assigned Tutors and Unassigned Tutors. Since no tutor is assigned yet, let's add one. Click on the Assign New Tutor button to open the assignment form. First, choose the tutor from the drop-down list. Then, select the lesson category and enter the lesson length in minutes. Next, choose a billing option. Pay per lesson, no automatic charges, or hourly rate based on lesson length. Finally, enter the price for the lessons and click Assign. The tutor is now linked to the student and will appear under the Assigned Tutors section. If your company type is hybrid or calendar-based, the process is exactly the same. You'll select a tutor, define lesson details, and choose billing options. But if your company type is package-based, the process is simpler. You just need to select the tutor's name. No lesson length, billing type, or pricing is required. That's how you assign a tutor to a student in Seemi, with options tailored to your company's setup. Now that we've assigned a tutor, we're ready to schedule classes for our students. But before adding lessons to the calendar, let's take a quick look at how billing works. As we discussed earlier, Seemi supports 3 billing types: calendar-based, package-based, or hybrid, which combines both methods. Since this company is set up as hybrid, we'll explore both approaches. For package-based billing, we first need to define a package and assign it to a student. Packages can include a set number of lessons or hours, which students use over time. To assign a package to a student, go to the family's profile and open the Invoices tab. Click Create Invoice. From here, choose the Assign Package option to link a pre-created package to the student. Select the student, and then choose the package you'd like to assign. You can toggle auto-renew if needed. Next, select a payment method. You can also include tax or send the invoice by email to the family. Finally, click Add to confirm. The invoice for the package will be created and appear under the family's invoices list. Once the invoice is paid, the package becomes active and ready for scheduling lessons. Until then, its status remains pending. If you've received payment offline, you can manually mark the invoice as paid. Click the 3 dots next to the invoice, select Change Status, choose Paid, and confirm. Once the invoice is marked as paid, the package becomes active and ready to use for scheduling package-based lessons. That's it. The package is now assigned and ready to use for scheduling package-based lessons. Let's learn how to create a package-based lesson in the Seemi calendar. From your left-hand menu, click on Calendar. Here, you'll see all your scheduled sessions. To add a new lesson, click the Add Event button on the top right. The first step is to choose whether this lesson will use package credits. Toggle the Use Package Credit option if you want the lesson to deduct from an existing package. Next, select a category for the lesson, for example, English, and choose the employee who will conduct the session. Once done, click Continue to move to the next step. Now fill in the lesson details. Add the attendees. These can be individual students or a group. Select the date, time, and duration of the lesson. You can also choose a platform such as Zoom, Lesson Space. If needed, add a public note for students and a private note for internal use. If this lesson repeats daily, weekly, or monthly, turn on the Repeat this event option. Choose the frequency and set an end date for the recurring series. Once everything looks good, click Create Event. Your package-based lesson is now added to the calendar, and credits will automatically adjust from the student's package. Once you create the event, a lesson confirmation email is automatically sent to both the tutor and the student with all session details. Seemi also takes care of reminders, sending an automatic email reminder 24 hours before the lesson and another 1 hour before class time. This ensures everyone stays on track and never misses a session. To check remaining package credits, go to the Family Profile and open the Packages tab. Here you can view how many credits are left and monitor package usage. If you're adding a calendar-based lesson, simply toggle off Use Package Credit. In this case, the lesson will not deduct credits. Instead, it will be included in the calendar-based invoice when generated. The rest of the procedure remains exactly the same. Seemi's Calendar module is your central hub for managing tutoring sessions and schedules. Click the calendar icon from the main menu to view all upcoming lessons, categorized by date and tutor. Seemi offers flexible viewing options. Switch between day, week grid, week list, or month views to easily track sessions according to your preference. In this example, we're using the month view for a complete snapshot of all scheduled sessions. Each session card displays key details, including the subject, tutor, student, and scheduled time. Clicking on a session reveals complete information, including meeting duration, Zoom link, and student attendance. Lesson confirmation emails are automatically sent to both the tutor and the student once the session is scheduled. Plus, reminder emails are sent 24 hours and 1 hour before class time. Once the lesson is completed, click Take Attendance to mark attendance for each student. You can choose from multiple statuses, such as student present, absent, late, or tutor canceled, and add optional notes or remarks if needed. Click Save to record attendance. Credits will automatically adjust from the student's package balance if the session is billable. And that's how easy it is to manage your tutoring schedule, mark attendance, and track lesson credits, all from Seemi's Calendar module. Now we'll learn how admins can view student attendance details. From the left sidebar, click on Students and open the student profile. Here, you can see a complete overview of the student, including their contact details, active status, and attendance summary. On the Profile tab, the average attendance chart visually shows how many classes were attended, canceled, or missed during the current month. Each color represents a different attendance status, making it easy to monitor student performance at a glance. Next, go to the Attendance tab. Here you'll find detailed records for every class, including the tutor name, date, duration, lesson type, and the attendance status such as student present, tutor late, or teacher canceled. This list helps admins keep track of class progress and performance patterns. You can also check the attendance of all students in your academy right from the attendance report. From the left sidebar, click on Reports and click on Attendance. This section gives you a complete snapshot of who was present, absent, or late for each class. You can even filter the data by date, student, or category to get exactly the information you need. It's a simple and organized way to keep track of your academy's overall attendance performance. Managing student packages in Seemi is simple and fully automated. From adding sessions and generating invoices to processing payments and refunds. This section will guide you through how to view, upgrade, and manage packages for each student efficiently. Now click on the Packages tab inside the student profile. On the right, you'll see the package summary, showing the package type, total and used sessions, purchase and expiry dates, and the current status. This helps you quickly verify how many credits a student has used from their package. To view or manage packages, go to the Families module and open the relevant family profile. Then, select the Packages tab. Here, you can view all active packages, their purchase dates, usage percentage, and expiry details. If a student needs more sessions, click on the 3 dots beside the package and choose Add Add-ons. A pop-up window will appear where you can select the number of additional sessions to add. You can also enable tax, choose a payment gateway, and toggle the Send Email option to notify the family. Once you click Upgrade, an invoice will automatically be generated for the selected add-on. The family will receive this invoice via email. Inside the email, they can click Pay Now, which opens the invoice page. From there, they simply click the Pay with Card button to complete the payment. This redirects them to a secure Stripe checkout page where they can enter their payment details. After the payment is successfully processed, the invoice status changes to paid, and the purchased add-on sessions are automatically added to the student's package. You'll see the updated session count instantly reflected in the package summary section. If the customer requests a refund, you can easily process it from the Invoices tab. Simply locate the relevant invoice, click on the 3 dots beside it, and select Refund. Once the refund is processed, the invoice status will automatically update to refunded, and the add-on sessions will be reverted from the student's package. Additionally, if you need to cancel a package entirely, you can also do so by refunding its corresponding invoice. This will both mark the invoice as refunded and canceled the package, ensuring all associated sessions are removed from the student's account. This section helps you manage all your organization's tutors, admins, and team members efficiently, all in one place. When you open the Team module, you'll see a list of all employees along with their details, such as their name, email, phone number, joined date, department, and role. You can also check each team member's status, whether they're active or inactive. Use the Filters option at the top to narrow down your search. For example, you can filter by name, email, or phone, etc. You can also use Sort to arrange your team list alphabetically or by joining date. To add a new employee, click on the Add button in the top right corner. Fill in the required information like name, email, contact number, department, and role, then click Save. Once saved, the new member instantly appears in your team list. To remove a team member, click the trash icon. Don't worry, deleted employees are stored under the Deleted Employees tab, so you can restore them anytime if needed. Clicking on a team member's name opens their profile view. Here, you can access key sections like profile, students, attendance, portal, payroll, and tutor availability. Under the Profile tab, you can view the employee's personal and work details, including their balance, payroll rate, and recent activity summary. In the Students tab, you'll see a list of all students assigned to that tutor. The Attendance tab gives a detailed attendance summary, including total lessons, absences, late arrivals, and teacher cancellations. From the Portal tab, you can manage a tutor's access to their online portal. Toggle access on or off anytime. The Tutor Availability tab lets you view or set their available teaching hours, including buffer time and start time increments. In the Payroll section, you can track all lesson transactions, view earned amounts, and manage payroll payments. You can also click Add Transaction to record manual entries whenever needed. That's how simple it is to manage your entire teaching staff inside Seemi. The Team module gives you complete control, from onboarding new tutors to tracking performance and payroll, all from one dashboard. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and manage tutor payroll, one of the most powerful features for admins. With Seemi, you can easily define multiple pay rates for a single tutor based on different lesson categories. To begin, open the tutor's profile and look for the Payroll Settings section on the right-hand side. Click Set Up Payroll to define how this tutor should be paid. Seemi gives you full flexibility. You can choose from 3 pay types: flat hourly rate, per session, or percentage of revenue. This ensures your payroll structure fits your organization's model perfectly. One of the best parts of Seemi is that you can create multiple payroll records for the same tutor. For example, you might pay a tutor $15 per session for math lessons and $30 per hour for English. Each category can have its own rate, pay type, and effective start date. This gives you complete flexibility to reward tutors differently based on their subjects or experience. Once payroll is set up, Seemi automatically tracks tutor earnings. Each time a lesson is completed and attendance is marked, the system calculates pay according to the assigned rate and category. To review payroll summaries, go to the Reports section and click on Payroll. You can filter by tutor, date range, or lesson category to view total hours, sessions, and payable amounts. You can also export this data as a CSV file for accounting and record keeping. Seemi is your all-in-one CRM for managing your entire tutoring business. From tracking prospects and students to scheduling lessons, managing payroll, and generating invoices, everything is in one place. Easily monitor attendance, handle payments, and connect integrations like Zoom, PayPal, and Stripe. With real-time reports and automation, Seemi helps you save time, stay organized, and grow your academy effortlessly. Seemi, simplifying tutoring management every step of the way. This concludes the complete walkthrough of the Seemi CRM. Thank you for watching the complete Seemi CRM walkthrough. We hope this helps you get the most out of your tutoring management system.